Okay, we're going to use our 4-inch belt sander. We're going to take this down to get it rounded down some. Then we'll go to our Dremel to further shape it. So we're going to work on that. So you can see, we're taking this down, so we're going to keep working on this till we get this rounded down nice. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So we're going to finish rounding this down, then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.